we are going to do something which is very interesting, I would say, because things are getting back to normal and the new normal has started. Things are opening up, restaurants are opening up, hotels are opening up, holiday packages are available right now. Also, right now we are seeing this festivals happening, Ganpati is happening right now. Then we move on to Onam, and then we move on to so many things lined up. So if we are already down, I think 8 months. Most importantly, my birthday is also there this month. So festival season has started, and very soon we will be looking at Durga Puja, Diwali, and then lot of gatherings will start happening with the new normal way, with wearing a mask. And if hopefully things are getting better sooner, then we would not require that. If the vaccine is out, then we might not require that. However, I am no one to comment on that, because it is just a no-brainer thing that I just told, what I feel. uh, don't judge me on that. However, today's video, I'm gonna share some of the ways that you can style a very, very, pure color, which is white. White is one of my favorite color, because white is something that you can always uh, wear anywhere you go. It can be dressed up, it can be dressed down, and I thought I would put together few looks that would be very handy for you guys, maybe in the coming months during festive season, maybe throughout the daytime or maybe in the night time. So I just added few looks, my personal style to it, the way I like to wear white. That's what I have done here. So without me too much blabbering again, let's get cracking into the video. So let me show you the first outfit and how I have styled it. So as you can see, the first outfit that you can see it here, I have styled it. It's plain pure white shirt. The shirt is from H&M and the trouser is a cropped trouser. I don't really remember from where I picked it up, but it's a plain white cropped trouser. And I have styled it with this beautiful neck piece, which is like a turquoise blue in color, which is really adding a lot of glam. However, if you see the shoe, I have kept it very casual, and it is a day look basically, where you can just go out for a brunch or maybe a lunch with your friends or family during festive season. And this is how it will look, and you can keep your makeup very, very minimal, the way I have kept it here, because I like it. This is something that I generally wear because it gives me a lot of comfort if I have to walk or if I have to do, and it's also very stylish and chic. So this was the first look. However, if you are going out with this look during night time, you can simply change it with a nice golden stilettos and a golden bag to go with it, which will actually make it look very, very glam. And you can see that I have styled it the same way here, so it's looking really, really glam and perfect for a night outfit. You can add red lips to this outfit as well, and it would look amazing. And it's very, very effortlessly elegant. So that's what I feel about this look. A well-fitted high-waisted trouser is something that will add an elegance to your look. So the next look is with this well-fitted high-waisted white striped trousers, and it's the same white shirt that I have been wearing, and I have accessorized it with a caviar bag, which looks really nice with a gold detail on it. And to go with it, I have paired it with a golden pair of stilettos. And not to forget, the red lips goes lovely with it, along with the neck piece. The neck piece is really adding something very, very nice vibes to it. So I am really in love with this neck piece. It can be worn with Indian as well as Western, so it's very, very versatile. So yeah, I really love this look as well. Next up is the look where you can always wear business suit is something that can be worn in so many ways, and especially these days the suit culture is so much in. It makes you look like boss lady with so much of confidence in your attitude, and it actually makes you look very, very nice. So the next one that you can see on the screen right now is a set, like a suit that I'm wearing, which I have paired it with the same white shirt because white is very versatile, as I have told you. However, this one is a suit that you can see that I'm wearing it, and I have paired it with a golden antique neck piece, which only if you see, because the buttons are closed, you can only see the locket part of it, and it is adding a really nice and chic vibe to it. Also, the golden stilettos are giving it a really, really nice look. So this can also be worn anytime for a day lunch with your office colleagues, or maybe for an evening um, dinner or drinks night out. This is really, really nice. You can either wear the blazer or the jacket the normal way that you wear it, or you can just hang it on your shoulders the way I am doing it here. In both these ways, it looks super nice and super chic. So it is very, very nice, casual. It looks very elegant, yet very confident with very minimal effort. So that is why I thought I would put together this looks that you guys can try, and it looks amazing on any skin color, guys. Trust me, it looks great on every skin color, and it gives you such a feeling of purity and sanity inside, that it makes you feel so nice. For me, it makes me feel very happy. Yes, it's a little difficult to carry a white full white outfit, but if you are just little careful and just don't hold your coffee too close to your dress so that you spill it on your dress, just make sure that whenever you're having coffee or anything, just just hold the cup a little far from you so that your dress is not ruined. All right, so enough of blabbering. I think I have done. However, I think you guys have enjoyed this video, the way I styled this white dress. Don't forget to leave me a comment below in the comment section, and links of this all the items that I have worn. Whatever I will find, I would link it down below, because this is something that I have collected over many years. So these are all timeless collections. So whatever is available, I would link it down below. And yeah, that's all. So hope you guys are having a really nice time during this Ganpati season, and Onam is there as well. We have, I think, Eid is also there, or Muharram is there. So it's lovely that you guys are enjoying, but make sure you guys stay safe, stay indoors, stay fit, and always be obsessed about yourself, because if you don't love yourself, nobody else is going to love you and take care of you. So self-love is very, very important. Make sure you keep reminding yourself of that, and see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.